Ton Booster Service Presentation. Ton Booster is a unique marketing service in Telegram that offers unlimited opportunities for making money on the internet. Using this service, all active Telegram users can earn Ton cryptocurrency. Ton is a new promising cryptocurrency created by associates of Telegram creator Pavel Durov and integrated into Telegram. If you want to make money remotely from anywhere in the world, to earn on the internet while traveling, to live where you feel comfortable and relaxed, we recommend you to learn more about the Ton Booster service. So what types of Ton cryptocurrency earnings exist with the Ton Booster service? The service provides 5 types of earning boosters: bike, car, train, plane, rocket. Cost of boosters: bike is 5 Ton, car is 25, train is 125, plane is 250, and rocket is 500 Ton. All earnings in the service are generated with 95% of the profit from booster sales being distributed within a 5-level referral program. For better understanding, let's display this info in table format. From level 1, partners receive 5%, from level 2, 10%, from level 3, 15%, from level 4, 25%, from level 5, 40%. To receive rewards from all 5 levels, you need to recommend the service for 5 new partners. The income from referral program is proportionally divided into 2 parts. The first part is withdrawn to your wallet, and the second part is used to pay matching bonuses to 5 partners above you in the hierarchy. For instance, if you have a bike booster, then you get 30% of the referral income and 70% is used to pay matching bonuses. If you have a car booster, the proportion is 40 to 60, train is 50 to 50, plane is 60 to 40, and rocket is 70 to 30. The faster your booster, the higher the percentage of earnings from the referral program and the higher the percentage of earnings from matching bonuses. For instance, if you have a bike booster, you get 1% of matching bonuses, car 3%, train 5%, plane 10%, rocket 15%. The service provides for the upgrade of boosters at the expense of money earned under the referral program, or at the expense of Ton deposited from your Ton Pay wallet. If you upgrade using the earnings from the referral program, then only 70% of the earnings go to the account to active a faster booster, and 30% are used to pay matching bonuses to 5 partners above you in the hierarchy. Let's take a look at the best possible scenario of income generation using the Ton Booster service, provided that all your partners implement the 5 mandatory recommendations of the service for new partners to derive income from the 5 levels at the referral program and get matching bonuses. So in total, in 5 levels you will have 3,905 partners. Let's assume that all your partners will initially purchase bike boosters, and as the partner network develops, they will switch to rocket boosters to withdraw 70% of their referral income and get 15% on matching bonuses. In this scenario, you will earn 713,000 Ton under the referral program, and you will receive 70%, which is 500,000 Ton in your wallet. The remaining 30%, which is 214,000 Ton, will be paid to 5 partners above you in the hierarchy as matching bonuses in percentages according to their boosters. Let's take a closer look at the income received from matching bonuses. We will consider 2 possible options for your partner network development. Option 1. Optimistic. Let's assume that all 3,905 of your partners will build their own partner networks of 3,905 partners, while earning 713,000 Ton under the referral program, of which 30% is 214,000 Ton will be used to pay matching bonuses. Since you have a rocket booster, you will receive 15% of that amount. 214,000 multiplied by 15% equals 32,000 Ton. This is the amount you will get from each partner of your network at 5 levels. But remember that you have only 3,905 partners. Thus, the equation will be as follows. 3,905 multiplied by 32,000 tone equals 125 million tone. Option 2. Realistic. Let's assume that 1% of partners, 39 people out of 309,005, built an identical network and earned 713,000 tone each. Then your income will be as follows. 32,000 multiplied by 39 equals 1,250,000 tone. As of May 2023, 1 tone is $2. Therefore, your total income from matching bonuses will be $2,500,000. Let's add to this your income under the referral program. 500,000 tone multiplied by $2 equals $1 million. In total, we get $3,500,000. But we haven't considered the third type of income, received from the distribution of 20% of the service profit among all those who purchased rocket boosters. Summary: using the Tone Booster service, any Telegram user can earn a large amount of Tone cryptocurrency and later even become a crypto millionaire. To do that, you need to fulfill the main condition: recommend the service to your friends and acquaintances. The life of your dreams is within arm's reach. Do it! Be sure to watch the video about activating earnings in the Tone Booster service.